Well, here's the situation. We're at a farm show. There's like all sorts of huge equipment around here. It's enormous. So we'll see if there's anything of interest to capture on film. I'll check in a little bit. Got some blacksmithing tools. The original fabricators. I always think that would be like a neat thing to learn. Is like old school blacksmith techniques. It's just wild the stuff you could do with, like, you know, a furnace and a hammer. Crazy. Look at the hydraulics on these things. I mean, that's amazing. Whoa. That's intense. It's like I'm farming. That's wild. Look at all these controls. That is absolutely nuts. Farming corn. Simulator. Tell me in the comments section what your heavy equipment of choice is. Oh yeah, building 2.
Oh man.
Oh, it's more stuff.
Oh man.
Look at it all. Wow.
On the other side.
Farm show. It's pretty cool. Big equipment. A lot of stuff. See you later. What did I do? Oh man. It's a Mopar.